How to replace background in Picsart. Let's switch things up and give your email a fresh new background using Picsart. Start by opening your image in the editor. Click on Remove PG to erase the current background. Once the background is transparent, go to Photos or Backgrounds on the left toolbar. Pick a new background image or use the search bar to find one that fits your style. Position your subject over the new background, adjust shadows and lighting for a natural look, and click Apply. What kind of background do you usually go for? Cityscape, gradient, or minimalist? Let me know in the comments below. Add a soft shadow behind your subject to make the final image look more realistic. And that's how you can replace background in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.